Welcome to Owell's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. This story is adapted from the book of Joshua, chapter 1 to 6. The walls fall down. The Israelites came to the promised land. A man named Joshua was in command. The first thing they saw in the valley below was a pretty little town called Jericho. God told Joshua, "There's something you should know. It's all about the city called Jericho. The people there are wicked, so I'm giving you their town, but you won't get in till the walls come down." God told Joshua exactly what to do. He told him to tell all the people too. So early in the morning, at the break of day, the people and Joshua started on their way. First came some soldiers leading the way. Then came the priests with trumpets to play. Next came the Ark of God with priests all around. And last came the rear guard, but no one made a sound. All around the city, the priests and soldiers walked, but everyone was quiet. No one even talked. The trumpets gave a blast, the seventh time around. Then the people all shouted, and the walls fell down. The end. Thank you for watching. This is The Walls Fall Down from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.